In other news now, there was pandemonium in Bath, St. Thomas today after 13-year-old Winshae Barrett was found alive. The girl was missing for 2 days after being abducted by the same man suspected of kidnapping another child in the community on Thursday. Kelisha Williams was in the community and now reports.
The moment. Jubilation as 13-year-old Winshae Barrett was found 2 days after she was abducted from her home in Bath, St. Thomas.
People them not sleep. We have sleepless night. Maybe them have sleepless night. Oh Jesus!
Residents and the security forces have been scouring the woods since Saturday. Winshae was here feeding pigs when she was snatched. Around 10:30 Monday morning, she was found in the community of Springbank, around 30 minutes from where she was abducted. And it was a day fitting for the unsung heroes who found her.
Well, for me, wake up, my daughter give me a birthday gift, one nice marina and something, and I said, listen, I'm going to go another birthday gift in Zoe. And me step out and me start hunt, and by the help of God, I hit this brother.
But how did they actually find her?
Well, when we kind of get a knowledge, when we are search, we hear, say, when our brethren were in the hills also, and find, say, him tarpaulin and him put together in the bush, him pattern thing gone. So after them thing they gone, they know for some reason, I don't know nobody, I know no way, we are working at the bush. So, a stranger, so we have to find the stranger.
Acting on suspicion, they followed the trace.
When I go up on the hill, I wasn't at the spot at the time. Me then said, see Winshae here. And by the time I go, then they said, the man gone, so when we go, man then come. So from then say Winshae here, me did out, but me moved to Winshae, so the rest of man then gone, half of the skull fit.
So right now I'm at the Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas, where 13-year-old Winshae Barrett was just brought in for medical treatment. Right now, as you can see behind me, there's a large crowd gathered. Persons are here just showing their support for the family. Residents here from the community, they traveled here, and they're just quite happy that Winshae was found unharmed.
From all indications, she's weak. She has not had much. Based on the preliminary information we got, she didn't get much. She hasn't eaten much since she was abducted. So she's extremely weak and presently getting the Medicare that is needed.
Is she speaking?
Yes, not saying much, but yes, she's speaking.
I wicked! The boy did it one time. Him started showing him taken. Look like him started showing him taken.
Now the people are in fear.
There's a complete stranger come about, come do all of this. Bad people, them protect them own. Them look out for them own. And we allow this man to come here, come do what he do, scout out the place, mark him turf, put him here on people, pitney. This morning, my 6-year-old said to me, say, Mommy, me love you. I say, me love you too, baby. She said, Mommy, no worry. Nobody can kidnap me. I said, not as long as me is alive. Nobody can do you nothing.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.